Well, that's it. Out.
This was my day 2 ride of maybe a week or 2 ride heading south to Khao Sok National Park.
Coming up on Champone. Looks like I got about 53 minutes. But just checking in. Pretty low tide.
Here's the military checkpoint, and they were just checking for registration and just let me go.
Hello there.
Okay, thank you.
This was a stop where I was just looking for something to eat. I saw those food stalls, but they were all closed. So I went over to the gas station and asked them, and they gave me a good restaurant to go to.
I got the restaurant. Go hook.
This was my hotel that I found for $13 a night. Burma, right across the border there, or across the river. And they said the only place to eat was the 7-Eleven. So I got my room and headed there.
Burning a little of the midnight oil to get a room.
And they told me there was no restaurant. It's rainy season, so all the restaurants were closed. I had to go to 7-Eleven and get something to eat. I ended up staying at the 7-Eleven too late. It was really dark on the way home, and my headlight does not work very well. I had a lot of trouble even finding my hotel that night. Never did find a restaurant open. They were all closed due to rainy season.
It's hard to see. I'm not sure where my place is. I think that, no, that's not it. Well, this is my place. That is Burma over there. That's the river. And this is my place for $13 a night. And this is my bike. I'm heading out down to Khao Sok. It's a national park. Okay. Heading off the main highway on a small little highway. Don't know how far I'm gonna get, but I want to try to get close to Khao Sok, the national park. Yeah, this is rubber. This is rubber. They make the rubber and then they sell it. Yep. Yeah, they make mats out of it too. Sometimes you see large flat mats. And that's probably pine oil. Yeah. Look at. These guys are wondering, what the hell is this guy doing? Anyways.
This is how they get the rubber from the rubber tree. They strip some of the bark off and the tree bleeds, and they catch it in this cup or a coconut shell, and then they process it to make it into rubber.
It's crazy all the stuff you see out here in Thailand. More rubber. These must be hot springs. I think these are the hot springs. Back up there, I seen smoke coming. And it looks like they're building baths, you know, tubs or something. See, I don't take that road, this road. Found a little detour here. The river we couldn't cross over there, so the guy honked his horn out, and I saw him and we talked. I don't think I got it on the video. But now we just go around. That's good. I'm just gonna ride. See, that was the river I couldn't cross. I'm going to check out this waterfall. I'm going to stop for a minute.
A few moments later.
Oh shit. I met these guys out here. Hey, I want to see the food. These guys cook food and offered me food. Here, chicken. That's good. Yeah, cover. No, but my bit like up. Yeah. They got their boots out here drying.
Today, chef.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah. Our chef, and they gave me directions on where to go, but they're telling me I'm going the wrong way, so I got to figure it out.
Welcome to Thailand. Welcome to Thailand.
Yes, friendly guys, all on motos, all on dirt bikes, you know. Okay, over and out. Well, I just left all those guys, and they kind of told me where to go, but they were saying I was crazy for, they said I can't get to where I'm going from here, but I think it just takes more time, that's all. Oh shit. I did get some lunch though out of it. So those guys gave me directions on not only how to get out of here, but where to go next. So I don't really have a place next, but I'm gonna look at it.
ground all green and mossy and algae and slippery as all get out. And I started to lose the back end and I went down. And I had to get up quick because I just passed a truck not too long ago. And if he would have come over that rise and I'm laying there on the ground, he might not have been able to stop because it was all slippery.
I'm here at the gas station. This guy is giving me dirty looks. I think I might have to do something about it. Well, maybe I'll just back down. He looks too mean. It's pouring rain. Not looking good for my ride. Oh well. It's part of the fun. I pulled over and put my second raincoat on. It is just coming down. And I'm running low on battery and these cool little bungalows. That's it. I'm exhausted, and I do have a half bottle of water. So, and well, that's it. Out.